Welcome back to CodeChef. Have you ever solved a math expression like 2 plus 3 times 4 and wondered why the answer isn't 20 but 14? That's because Java, just like math, follows operator precedence, rules that decide which operation runs first when multiple operators appear together. Think of operator precedence like rules in a restaurant kitchen. Chefs prepare main dishes before desserts, and if two chefs are making the same dish, they work left to right in order. Java does the same. It decides which operation gets served first and in what direction to evaluate them. In Java, operator precedence determines which operation is evaluated first in an expression, while associativity decides the direction when operators have the same precedence, either left to right or right to left. For example, multiplication and division have higher precedence than addition and subtraction. And most operators are evaluated from left to right, except assignments, which go from right to left. Let's see this in action. Suppose we write the following code. In the first case, multiplication happens before addition, so the result is 14. In the second, parentheses change the order. Addition happens first, giving 20. For 10 minus 2 plus 5, since both plus and minus have the same precedence, Java evaluates from left to right, giving 13. But in 10 minus open bracket 2 plus 5 close bracket, parentheses force addition first. Result 3. A few quick tips. Use parentheses to make complex expressions clear and bug-free. Assignment operators like equals and plus equals have right-to-left associativity, evaluated from the end. Logical and comparison operators also follow specific precedence rules, so in expressions like A and B or C, the AND runs before OR. Now it's your turn. Try the CodeChef problem called Operator Precedence Practice. You'll read an expression and figure out how Java evaluates it, the perfect way to test your understanding. Today you learned that precedence decides which operation happens first, and associativity decides the direction of evaluation. Together, they make sure Java expressions always produce predictable results. Keep practicing, keep coding, and remember, code. Debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.